been an exciting 25 years. Our trend-setting cooling solutions have successfully transformed mission-critical data centers and other indoor environments.
I would say it's not just years, it has been a learning curve and with a lot of industry-first innovations.
Stools India, part of German global climate engineering leader Stools GmbH, is one of its largest operations outside Germany. It has 3 global standard certified factories at its Navi Mumbai campus, with an installed base of over 350 megawatts across customer locations. Stools India now also exports to several countries across the Asia-Pacific and parts of Europe and Africa. Stools India hosts the largest center of engineering excellence outside Germany. The CEE team has, to its credit, software development for several global projects and team productivity tools. It has one of the largest research and development teams with highly skilled engineers trained in the latest mechanical, electrical, automation, and structural design technologies such as seismic simulation, CFD, and heat transfer simulations for customized hyperscale products, among a range of others.
Our engineering teams deliver some of the best work in the industry. Most of it is first ever of its kind. Our engineering teams work on global projects with client-side engineers and consultants solving real-time challenges, which makes this possible. As we speak, our engineers are working with their counterparts based in Germany, US, Singapore, working on a project involving very large air handling units with the focus on having the highest efficiencies ever, which would be possible by working on topics like harmonic currents, software algorithms, and extensive automations, which in itself is first ever of its kind.
Stools invested in setting up India's largest product witness testing center, compliant with global standard certification norms. The company was founded in April 1996 as Comfort HVAC Systems Private Limited.
In 1996, we were focused on providing customized HVAC solutions. We were supported by just one production facility in Daman and 8 people. Today we've grown to 3 production facilities, 15 branch offices across India, around 450 permanent employees in the company, and a very diversified portfolio of products with reputed international certifications like Eurovent, AHRI, ISO, CE conformity, and many others.
CHSPL and Stools GmbH's highly successful association, led by its founders and India leadership team, rapidly expanded from a distribution partnership to the joint venture Stools CHSPL. The active involvement in the business, led by Mr. Jürgen Stools, the visionary chairman of the conglomerate and the board of directors, has been the driving force for the success and fast-paced growth of the organization.
In the year 2000, nearly 2 decades ago, Stools brought dual fluid technology, and in subsequent years they brought the EC fan technology into India. In the subsequent years ahead, we introduced advanced air distribution products, inverter-based cooling solutions, and recently we have introduced advanced air purification systems for indoor air quality, which has transformed the HVAC industry.
More recently, our intelligent air handling units and micro DC product lines have disrupted the legacy commercial air conditioning and edge computing infrastructure markets.
The company's diversified product portfolio has been commissioned across several landmark projects, including mission-critical data centers, airports, telecom networks, commercial and industrial buildings, research labs, hospitals, clean rooms, refineries, and power plants. Stools CHSPL's unique capabilities to design, build, test, and support highly customized, complex, reliable engineering solutions draws from its wide experience over 25 years in India and over 7 decades of German engineering excellence globally. Stools India's clients include some of the world's largest Fortune 100 companies and government institutions.
Being socially responsible is core to Stools India. Over the years, the Stools Foundation has undertaken programs in child education and primary health care.
Thank you, Stools.
The company's tireless journey to conquer greater heights with newer innovations and bigger dreams continues. Cheers to the future.